Yo, what's good, everybody? We're back with another video. Let me turn my music down. Yo, shout out Cardo. Wait. Before we get into today's video, I just want to start off by thanking today's sponsorship, Cardo Systems. Use code YAM at time of purchase for 10% off your next order. Cardo offers tons of different devices, starting off with entry-level comm systems and working your way up the scale. Now, this is something I would recommend for any new beginner or even experienced riders, ranging from listening to music, access to voice navigation for maps, and most importantly, talking with your friends. They're super easy to connect, hold a relatively long charge, and have wide range connectivity. Those are only a few reasons to swing over to Cardo Systems and grab yourself a new Cardo. And don't forget, use code YAM at time of purchase for that 10% off your order and to show some support back to me. Now, back to the video. Today we are doing a full exhaust system on Kurt's R6 right here. He's got a brand new R6. It's still fully stocked. We're headed out to our other buddy's house where we're going to be doing the job. And let me make this clear. This is not a how-to video. just stating that real fast. Sheesh. Got Kurt unboxing that full exhaust system.
Okay, so it's a down pipe. Wiley?
Always got to inspect the welds.
Yeah. Are they welds worth $200K a year?
Yeah, last but not least. Sheesh. Bro, that thing looks good.
Yeah, the carbon fiber.
Yeah, the carbon. Our R6 Kurt with the full exhaust system.
I think we're official now.
We're official, baby.
Make sure we gotta take off that side fairing. Oh, that's a baffle. Okay.
Oh yeah, we don't need that.
Yeah, you throw that away.
Is that David Moto?
Oh shit,
Is that David Moto?
Is that a Q5S?
Yeah, with the nail in it.
Oh, with the nail in it.
Bro, gotta nail his tire.
It still hasn't like
Yeah, right there.
still hasn't like fully come out, but it's like a flat. I was driving. I didn't even feel it until I got home because I was driving and then like.
I didn't get flat?
No, I just like when you go over bumps and shit, like it just felt like kind of like, yeah, you feel the difference. It felt like kind of like stiff. So we just go woo.
Is that a new tire?
Dude, if I have
It is.
I'm gonna say it doesn't look that old.
Like it have a lot of track. They do.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna have to take that trip
I
tomorrow.
like 5 pairs.
We're gonna have to take that trip tomorrow.
Yeah.
For the boots.
To Texas?
Tomorrow.
Bitch, I'm from Texas.
But on the bike, it's only 8 hours. We can make it in 5.
Might be able to get it.
We can make it in 5.
Bro keeps fucking me up.
If we haul ass, we can make it in 5 to Texas in 5 hours.
You gotta go.
It's a Chinese guy and a black guy, right?
Yeah, the two people that probably made it.
That's the worst.
Bro, you're changing your sauce, but your bike is hot as shit, bro.
Well, I know that's what.
God damn!
This guy, you better not touch it.
I almost fucking burned the shit out of my hand right now.
You're gonna grab the exhaust instead of grabbing
Yeah,
the fan.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. It's that I can feel the heat,
I'm not gonna
bro.
lie.
Cut it. You do it, cause if you do it and you fuck it up, if you do it and you fuck it up, it's your bike, you know.
YouTube video title: 3 autistic kids try to full exhaust.
They couldn't.
Goes wrong.
They couldn't put that
That's
on. They couldn't
how
take
it
their
goes
bearings. Do you see me holding? I'm the
Bro.
one working, bro. You gotta pass me the tools, bro.
Where's
Fuck.
Is it like
Ethan,
this?
the light. Ethan, the light.
I gotta find the plug. I can't see, bro. You. Oh, I fucked it up.
You just fucking broke it.
Oh, I fuck it
You
up.
just broke it.
I just fucking broke it. No, I didn't.
Dude, it's literally broken.
Alright, I would take the other.
Alright, one side down.
Bike
No,
We got one more side to go.
Alright.
I'll hold my pipe. I'm holding my pipe right now.
My pipe's in my pocket.
Pause.
No, you don't.
Pocket?
The bottom.
The video move.
David, get out the way.
I gotta do it for the YouTube, bro.
Oh, sorry. Oh, wait.
What is?
Wait, no, I want to be in the YouTube. I'm gonna put my hands here.
Oh, Oh, you didn't take the fucking flanges off, you fucking idiot.
Oh,
No, look. No, my bike. Oh my God, Cody. You fucked this up. Oh, you gotta save this one. These are the
Move your
seals.
foot.
No, there should be new ones.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
Bro, hold it up.
It's a raw proud father.
Proud father. His R6 just keep birds. Look at that. Open headers.
Hey, where's up? Well, you can't see shit. Like this motherfucker is so like. Look at this shit. I want to throw it so bad.
No, keep it. Keep
I
it.
am.
First, I want to throw it. So we got the Acura.
Oh, I'm gonna get it home, bro. I'm gonna throw my back on the bike.
Hold my pipe. I mean, I'm gonna hold the pipe and
Hold
you.
my pipe. Holy shit, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Dog, that is loud, bro.
What the fuck? I know the video don't do justice.
Nah, not at all,
that
bro.
video.
Not at all.
That's
That shit is loud, dude.
That shit's
That
loud.
full Acura, bro. Alright, taking a break from eating. We got the actual muffler put on there, so we're gonna see what this sounds like. Oh my god.
God damn. Damn.
Did a little side quest, completed the frame sliders. Got a full Acura exhaust.
So it didn't came with a sticker, bro? You're gonna have to, bro. You're gonna email them.
Finally wrapped up. It's now 1 in the morning. Full Acura exhaust installed with a side quest of the frame sliders. Let's hear it. Dude, I swear. It doesn't sound like it's running too rough, even with it not being tuned. Bro, it sounds good, dude. That's not even 4,500. Alright, about 5 hours later, we're now wrapping up the install. Alright, time to go back home, baby. It's freaking late. We got work tomorrow. Let's go. But anyway, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and real quick, just to say, you know, 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, that's just absolutely insane to me. I know I don't post a lot of long form content. That's obviously something I'm looking to do this season, which I should have been doing last year. Coming up on 12K, so I think that's just absolutely awesome on YouTube. So I'm going to be trying to pump out a lot more content for you guys this year. Stay tuned, keep showing some support, keep showing some love. You know, it definitely doesn't go unnoticed. That is going to wrap up today's video, and I'm going to catch you guys in another one. Peace.